Hey guys, today I'm going to be sharing with you a spring home decor haul that I did yesterday from Goodwill. I went to the Dollar Tree, TJ Maxx, and Michael's, and I was specifically searching for things for some upcoming videos and some home decor for this spring and Easter. I'm going to start with the Goodwill haul. I only got a few things from Goodwill. Sometimes you go to Goodwill's and there's just not as much selection, and sometimes there's tons of stuff. The first things I found were these two woven flat, see, they're very flat baskets. As you could see compared to my head, they're really large. And I have some very blank walls that I just have not decorated in my house since we moved in. And I plan to use these. And I'm not sure, what's your opinion? I was thinking about maybe spray painting them white, but I'm not sure. What do you guys think? Let me know in the comments below what I should do. Then I found this M, and so I'm going to use this in my home decor too. And I was also thinking about maybe whitewashing it, not making it solid white, but maybe just like white and then sanding it. What do you think about that one? And then I picked up these two mugs. They're brand new, never used, brand new. A Mrs. and Mr. They say faith, hope, love, and the grace of these is love. And then they also have a verse on the lip of the mug. They were only $2. So I don't know. Maybe I'll keep them for my husband and I. Maybe I'll gift them to somebody for an anniversary or a wedding gift. I don't know. But I had to pick them up because they were brand new and they were cute. And then the last thing I found were these two. I'm not sure. I'm thinking that they're like either candy dishes or ice cream dishes of some sort. They are so pretty. And I'm going to use them for flowers for home decor that I have coming up. The next one we're going to do is the Dollar Tree. Okay, so from the Dollar Tree, the first thing I picked up was a wreath, a willow wreath. Because sometimes my Dollar Tree is out of these and they only have those metal framed ones. And I'm not a huge fan of those. So I picked one up. I don't have a wreath that I'm going to use for spring. So I'm thinking about making one. So I picked up these fern foliage greenery stuff. And I'm thinking about something, I don't know, this side and this side kind of thing. And then they had these flowers, peonies, and for Dollar Tree, these ones, like, sometimes you got to pick through the Dollar Tree flowers because some of them look really fake, and some of them are almost Michael's, Joann's quality, and these ones I think are really good quality. These are the peonies, and the color is so pretty. And then I also picked up these crocus flowers because I like the brightness of these, so I feel like if I intermingle it in with the lighter color, it'll be pretty. So I picked up that. I also saw this. It's a jumbo wall sticker, and it says Hello World, which I think that's kind of more like for a nursery or a baby room or something. And I don't need that, and I don't want that. But my thought was cut this part off and this part off, and then you can kind of see it's folded in half, but you connect them, and then you have these really pretty, and again, they match the colors in the flowers that I got. So I think that kind of might be my thing for the spring this year. So I picked that up because I thought that was pretty. I picked up the sign. It's just a little box sign, and it's Psalm 150 verse 6, and they had, I think, 3 or 4 different ones of these. But I picked this up for a project I have coming up. I also picked up this powder room sign. It's a canvas for my powder room, or half bath, whatever you want to call it. And I also picked up 2 pots. They're not the plastic ones, they're the hard terracotta ones, because I'm also thinking about maybe using this for a spring DIY that's coming out this weekend. I'm not sure about that yet, but I've grabbed them just in case. And then I picked up a couple of the blocks of Floral Foam so that I could stick, obviously I'd be cutting it, but I'm going to stick it in here to use for the flowers, which you'll see the flowers that I got at Michael's. I picked up these 2 packages of the little carrots. Picked up 2 of those. And then this ribbon. Oh my goodness, I love this ribbon. Look at how pretty the colors are. So I got, oh I'm sorry, this is raffia. I got this. This I'm thinking is going to go with the wreath. But look at these colors. And I like the little ribbed edge. They're really, really pretty and so springy. So I grabbed them all. I have no idea what I'm doing with them, but I had to have them. So let's get to Michael's and TJ Maxx. Okay, so from Michael's, they had a 60% off one regularly priced item that was only good for yesterday and today. So I picked up this glass dome cloche. It was, I believe it was $26.99 for this one, and then I got 60% off. So this one was a great deal. And I also picked up these 2 little nests with the eggs in them. And these were 40% off of $6. And then they also had these really pretty bouquets. And they're normally $10 and they were $5 each. So I grabbed 2 of those. These are the same ones because I'm going to put them inside here. If you can kind of imagine what that would look like. So that's all I got from Michael's. Honestly, guys, I have a whole bin of Easter and spring decor, so I didn't want to go crazy, and I haven't taken it out yet to actually like go through it and see what I have and what stuff I want to use this year. So I only picked up stuff I need for like this week and next week for videos. So if you want to see how all this is going to work together, you're going to have to watch. So then I went to TJ Maxx. Oh, actually, no, this is from Michael's too. Sorry. This kitchen towel, it's mint and white check. It was $8 and 40% off of that. And I just thought the colors were so pretty. So I grabbed that. Next was TJ Maxx, and I only grabbed 2 things from TJ Maxx. Actually, no, I didn't, but I left one of the things downstairs. I got a set of pink sheets on clearance for my bed. And I don't have them to show you because they're downstairs in the laundry. But I did pick up some sheets. And then I got this Rosemary mint tin candle. And it smells amazing. Plus, I just think that the pattern is so pretty. And it will look pretty with that towel and the other stuff I have planned. And then I picked up this really cute bunny who's like holding a big, huge lettuce. And there's a hole inside. So I'm going to fill it with the Floral Foam and put some of my hydrangeas that I have in storage in here. So I think that would be really, really pretty. So this cute little bunny was $12.99 at TJ Maxx. And the candle was on clearance for $4.50, which is a good deal. And that is all I got. So, but if you see it all together, it just seems like so much and it's so pretty. And even though we're supposed to have snow tomorrow, the forecast for the next 2 weeks is in the 50s and 60s. So I am so excited and really looking forward to spring. And I'm starting this week getting my house decorated for spring. And I'm going to be showing you guys with a full tour and all the little details in between. So make sure that you are subscribed and that you hit the notification bell so that you don't miss any of my videos. And I will see you guys next time. Thanks again for watching.